Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here is the picture of the finished result from today's balayage tutorial video. If you're new, hit the subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down below for what you want to see in future videos. So we're going to jump straight into the application. You can see I've taken some ribbon size weaves and I'm just going to be blending those up using a balayage freehand foiling technique. I'm going to be keeping it in foils to isolate so we get the heat, so we get the optimum level of lift. Sectioning is a hot cross bun but with a box on top of the head. You'll see that towards the end of the video when I colour through that part. But all this is just we want to add a lot of brightness, a lot of dimension to the hair using this technique. So you've seen the result at the beginning of the video, you'll also see at the end of the video how it looks as well. But this is just to create loads of dimension, loads of brightness in the hair. And I'm working with the ribbon size pieces. There'll also be some little baby like pieces in there as well. The spray I just used is Joico's Defy Damage, a bomb builder, bomb protector. This is going to make sure we get optimum lift as well, because it also adds to the levels of lift that we will achieve, which is great because my client's hair here always lifts really warm, and I always want it to lift that little bit more. So Defy Damage does that for me. I'm just working through these back quadrants. It will be the same on both sides, but you'll get to see it, and there'll be different angles so you can see it as well of the application. Just watch the video, take it all in, make notes if you want, write in the comments down below if you want to know anything, and just enjoy the video. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos like this, if you want different techniques that I use in the salon. I'll be bringing some haircuts and blow dries and colours and everything on clients soon. Now that COVID is lifting, we're able to do a little bit more in the salon, so without restrictions. So yeah, just watch the video, enjoy it, hope you like the technique, and I'll see you in the next video.